Half-a-day, Sabrina, Salas, Matanane reporting. The number of confirmed COVID-19 cases for Guam remains at 151, 5 deaths and 124 recoveries. On Saturday, 17 people were tested and 0 returned positive. Public Health's lab was closed today, so no tests were run. Guam is now in Pandemic Condition of Readiness 2, or PCOR 2. Several businesses have reopened, including professional services, real estate, car dealerships, elective medical and dental services, retail stores, shopping malls, flower shops, as well as beauty, hair, and nail salons and barber shops. All businesses allowed to open must follow public health guidelines. All social gatherings will be limited to 10 people. All GovGuam beaches remain closed except for individual use. Businesses are no longer restricted to selling only essential items, and GovGuam remains operating but in a limited capacity. Island residents, in the meantime, are urged to continue to practice safety precautions such as maintaining social distancing of 6 feet, wearing a face mask, practice good hygiene, washing your hands and using hand sanitizers, and practice routine cleaning and disinfecting of frequently touched surfaces, and stay home if you're sick. In other news, Guam will receive the first increment of $276 million for unemployment payments next week. The governor's office announced that the U.S. Labor Department has approved Guam's application for the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance and the Federal Pandemic Unemployment Compensation Programs. The PUA will pay eligible applicants $345 a week till the end of the year. The FPUC will pay an additional $600 a week until July 31st. Beginning Monday, the Northern Court Satellite in Dedida will expand its services for certain businesses, specifically people who may not have internet access or for other reasons may not be able to conduct business-related transactions online, will be able to conduct necessary transactions in person at the Northern Court Satellite from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday. The transactions will be available at the Northern Court Satellite include payment of traffic citations, payment of case-related obligations, including bail, restitution, fines and fees, and requests for traffic and court clearances. Monday is also the first day to file candidate packets for the primary election at the Guam Election Commission. The positions up for election are mayor, vice mayor, senator, delegate to the U.S. House of Representatives, and public auditor. You can file anytime between 8 a.m. to 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday through Friday, up until Tuesday, June 30th. The Guam Election Commission asks, however, that you stay home if you're sick. Social distancing will be enforced, and all individuals must wear face masks that adhere to CDC guidelines. The Guam National Guard is helping to get GovGuam ready to reopen under PCOR 2. Soldiers and airmen have been mobilized to help disinfect the common areas of essential agencies to ensure public safety. Guam National Guard Adjutant General Major General Esther Agaki saying they stand ready to serve our nation and our island and every person who calls Guam home. A 67-year-old Guam resident who traveled from Guam to Saipan on Saturday tested positive for COVID-19. According to a press release from the CNMI office of the governor, the individual was identified through the Saipan airport surveillance process. The 67-year-old man was screened and tested upon arrival. He is now being isolated at the designated isolation facility at Kanoa Resort. Quote, contact tracing has begun for close contacts, including other passengers aboard the flight. This case was determined to meet the CHCC person under investigation criteria, or PUI. The total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the CNMI is now 16. Meanwhile, starting Monday, the Guam Federation of Teachers announced plans to file a lawsuit against the governor related to the double pay issue. The GFT is inviting all essential employees and COVID heroes seeking to be paid properly for the work they performed during the pandemic crisis to call them starting Monday, again at 735-4390. That's 735-4390 if they would like more information and to serve as plaintiffs in the litigation. As reported, the Leon Guerrero Tenorio administration has said it will not pay double pay to essential workers because the government can't afford it. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Sabrina Salas, Matanane.